students, I welcome you all to the SimStar Online Learning. This is Muskan Parwar and I hope you all are safe at home with your family members. Students, if you all remember, then nowadays we are solving worksheet. Yes, that is given in our activity book, that is Fun with Learning. Yes, so students, yesterday we have completed till worksheet 4. Yes, so now today we will begin with the worksheet 5 that is given on page number 6. So please take out your activity book, that is Fun with Learning. Open worksheet 5 of mathematics portion. Okay, so students, see, first of all write today's date, that is 10/7/2020. Okay, please write. Now see, students, this worksheet is all about addition. Okay, and see, till now addition from number 1 to 20, and this is very easy for you all because we have done addition till 3-digit numbers. Yes, and was of carryover also. So this will be very easy for you all. It will be just like chutki ka khel. Yes, so students, let's begin with this worksheet. Now see, add and join the dots from the number 1. Now what you have to do, as you can see, so many sums are given over here. So what you have to do first, you have to add up these two addends and you have to find out the sum of every question. Okay, after finding the sum, you will write each sum in the given box. Yes, writing the sum, you have to start drawing the line from the very first dot, that is 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. This dot. As you can see, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. You have to start from here. Now what comes after 1? That is 2. So you will, where is the sum of number? Where is the question? Now find which question's sum is 2. Find it and then you will draw line there. Then you will draw line to number 3. Then you will draw line to number 4. Then to number 5. Okay, like this you have to complete these dots. Clear? And then tell me which shape you are forming here. Okay, so see students, complete this exercise, and yes, with the help of pencil. Don't use pen, don't use sketch pen. Okay, I hope you can do this. Now let's come to next exercise, that is try filling in the missing numbers. This exercise is all about before, between and after, and we all know that what is before numbers, what are after numbers, and what are between numbers. Let's recall, what are before numbers? Before numbers means to move backward from a given number, that is known as before number. Yes, now let's take some example. Dash 10. Now can you tell me what comes before 10? To solve this, what you will do? You will move one step back from the given number. That is, the given number is 10. Means what comes before 10? 9. Yes. So what is the before number of 10? 9. Clear? Let's take one more example. Dash 8. Now what comes before 8? Yes. Let's come one step back. 8. Then what will come before 8? 7. So we will write 7 over here. Okay. Now let's discuss about after numbers. What are after numbers? After numbers means to move forward from the given number. Okay. For example, if I gave you a number 15 dash, means you have to write the next number. Yes, next number means you have to move forward, one step forward. Yes, so what comes after 15? Which is the next number? 16. Yes, so answer is 16. Clear? Let's take one more example. 19 dash. Now what you will do? What comes after 19? Let's move one step forward. What comes after 19? 20. Yes, so we will write over here 20. Clear? Now let's discuss about between numbers. What are between numbers? Between numbers means a number that is in between two digits, two numbers. That is known as between number. Yes, for example, if I give you a number 15 dash 17. Now what you have to do? You have to fill in the between number. Yes, what is the between number? The number which is given in between two numbers, that is 15 and 17. So what we will do? What comes after 15? Yes, 16. Yes, or you can also write like this, what comes before 17? The answer will be same, that is 16. So these are between numbers. Okay, clear? Now see, one exercise is given over here. In this exercise, there are three columns. Before, between, and after. Yes, there are three columns. Now what you have to do? See, somewhere blank is given over here, between number is given over here, and then blank is again given over here. Then next is dash, 19 dash. Yes, okay. Now see question number 3, that is dash, 11 again dash. Now see students, before number means one step back. Yes, means you have to come one step back from a given number. So what is the given number? The given number is 12. Yes, now what you will do? You will come one step back from the number 12. That is, what will come before 12? 11. So we will fill over here 11. Okay, now let's come to after number. Yes, now what comes after 12? What do you mean by after? After means to move one step forward. Yes, means what is the next number after 12? Yes, what comes after 12? 30. Yes, now you can check that 12 is a between number of this 11 and 13. Yes, clear? Now let's come to next blank. That is dash, 19 dash. Okay, now what comes before 19? Because we have to write here before number. Yes, so what comes before 19? Can you tell me? What comes? 18. Yes, so we will write 18 over here. Okay, now 18, 19, what is the next number? That is after number. What is the next number? It is number 20. So we have completed this missing blank, that is 18, 19, 20. Clear? Now let's come to next blank, that is dash, 11 dash. Okay, now again we have to write before number and after number. Yes, so what comes before 11? Can you tell me? Guess what comes before 11? 10. Yes, so we will write 10 over here. And what comes after 11? What comes after 11? Which is the next number? That is 12. Yes, what numbers we have written here? 10, 11, 12. Okay, clear? In this way, you have to fill all these blanks. Clear? I hope now you can do this exercise. Clear? Now let's come to next page number, that is page number 7, worksheet 6. Now students, first of all write today's date, that is 10. Now this worksheet is also based on addition. Okay, now see, let's play and add. Now why the word play is written over here? Because we have to add numbers with the help of a dice. You know what is a dice? A dice is an object which is used while playing Ludo. Yes. Okay. So what is a dice? Dice means. Now can you tell me what is the shape of a dice? It has a cube shape. Yes. And can you tell me that dice is a solid shape or a plane shape? It is a solid shape. Yes, it has 3 dimensions: length, breadth and height. Yes. Now, at the one side, there is one dot At the another side there is 2. At the back of 2 there are 4 dots. At the left side of 1 there are 5 dots. And at the back side of 5 there are 3 dots. Okay, now see, at the back of 1 will be 6 dots. Okay, so see what you have to do, you have to add these dots. See, now here dice are given over here. Yes, so in each dice some numbers are shown there. Yes, so you have to read that number and then you have to add those two numbers and find the sum. Okay, let's do first one. See first one. Is equal to dash. Now what you have to do? You have to add these dots. How many dots are given on this dice? 1. Then on another dice, how many dots are given over here? Again 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So what we got as an answer? 2. Clear? In this way, you have to add all these dice. Clear? Now you can do this yourself. Now let's come to next number, that is write the smallest number you get by throwing 2 dice. Now students, as we all know that a dice has 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, there are 6 sides and there are 6 digits on them. Yes, so students, what will be the smallest number if we will take 2 dice? Now can you tell me what will be the smallest number in the 1 dice? Yes, tell me. 1 will be the smallest number. Yes, if we will take 2 dice, in both these 2 dice the 1 will be the smallest number. Yes, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. What we will get the answer? 2. So write the smallest number you get by throwing 2 dice is equal to 2. Clear? Now let's come to next number. Write the biggest number you get by throwing 2 dice. Now you have to tell the biggest number. So which is the biggest number on a dice? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, so 6 is the biggest number. If we will take 2 dice of 6 digits, then the answer will be 12. Means which is the biggest number which we will get by throwing 2 dice? The answer will be 12. Clear? So write this answer over here and I hope this is clear to you all. Now students, complete these 2 worksheets in your book and please do it in a very neat and clean handwriting and yes, without any mistake. Use pencil, don't use pen. Okay? So keep learning and keep practicing. Stay at home. Thank you.